am doing my first ever vlog type video. I've never done anything like this, so hopefully it comes out okay. And the whole point of this is just to take you with me while I pack up my sweet home that I've been living in for the last 4 months. It's like this little cottage in Connecticut, so you can at least see it before I leave and move on to my next adventure. Let's do it. Okay, so it turns out I am really bad at vlogging because yesterday I started packing up my kitchen and completely forgot to film any of it. So I will fill you in now on what I packed up and then continue on the journey. So this box is filled with dishes, and then I put a blanket down to keep things nice and contained and safe, and I'm packing the Tupperware and more dishes on top of there. And over here I ended up packing up this bin with more dishes, all of my mugs, and then I did keep these boxes that these glasses came in, so I just stacked them right back in there. I have this cute little Trader Joe's bag that I am putting all of my junk drawer items, including my packing tape. If you don't know this about me, I am obsessed with tea. So both of these bags are completely filled from top to bottom with tea boxes. I also started packing my shoes in this Victoria's Secret duffel bag.